In this video, I'm going to show you how to create BingX account. So first, make sure you are on the BingX cryptocurrency exchange website. And as you can see on their interface, we have a login button in here and a sign up button in here on the upper right corner. You can also input your email here and proceed to the sign up. So if you have an account, you can click this login and skip this video. But if you are starting like me, you can watch this video up until the end of this video. Now we'll need to input our email. So I'm going to use this email, so certify@gmail.com. And after that, click the sign up button and wait for it to load up. So as you can see in here, to create an account, you'll need a password. And you can use a Google account, existing Google account, to proceed to the sign up procedure here in BingX without creating a new password. So I'm going to just connect it with my existing account, Gmail account. And then after that, wait for it to load up. And as you can see in here, I've successfully signed up. And BingX will give you a rewards for a new users. And that's it. You've successfully created a BingX account. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.